In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar for project management in 2025. Whether you're coordinating a team project or organizing your personal tasks, Google Calendar can be a powerful tool to keep everything in order. Now, let's dive into how you can leverage this tool to streamline your project workflow. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to your Google Calendar. Once you're there, you'll notice a Create button in the top left corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that button. This will allow you to start creating new tasks and events for your project. After clicking Create, you'll see several options pop up. What you want to select here is Task. Clicking on Task allows you to manage specific project tasks right within your calendar. Once you've done that, it's time to give your task a clear and specific title. This helps you and anyone else involved in the project understand what needs to be accomplished at a glance. Next, you'll need to set a due date for the task. To do this, simply click on the desired date on your calendar. Setting due dates is essential for keeping your project on track and ensuring deadlines are met. Optionally, you may want to include additional information or a description for your task. This can be particularly useful if the task details are complex or if you need to communicate something specific to other team members. Enter any additional details that might help clarify the task. Once you have all this information entered, don't forget to click on Save to ensure your task is finalized and visible on your calendar. A quick tip here, you can assign different colors to your tasks to help differentiate them visually. To do this, head over to the left side of your calendar, click on the three vertical dots next to tasks, and choose the color that suits your needs. Moving to the right panel of Google Calendar, you'll find a task icon. When you click on it, a list of tasks will appear. Here you can manage your tasks more interactively. For instance, as you complete tasks, you can check them off by clicking the radio button next to each task. This feature is great for visualizing progress and gives you that satisfying sense of accomplishment. Moreover, Google Calendar allows you to organize tasks within a project by creating subtasks. To add a subtask, simply click on the three vertical dots next to your task and select Add a Subtask. Enter a title and details for this subtask, just as you did for the main task. Then set a due date for your subtask and click Done to add it to your calendar. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently use Google Calendar for project management, ensuring that your tasks are well organized and deadlines are clearly outlined. Embrace these features to enhance productivity and make collaboration with your team smoother and more effective. Happy scheduling!